was when I ruled the world. It was the wicked and wild wind blew down the doors to let me in, shattered windows and the sound of drums. People couldn't believe what I'd become, and revolutionaries wait for my head on a silver plate, just a puppet on a lonely string. Oh, who would ever want to be king? I hear Jerusalem bells are ringing, Roman cavalry choirs are singing. Be my mirror, my sword and shield, my missionaries in a foreign field. For some reason I can't explain, I know St. Peter won't call my name, never an honest word, but that was when I ruled the world.
And now we go from a plane to a boat and we cruise out onto Milford Sound itself.
That was when I ruled the world. Just because I'm losing doesn't mean I'm lost. Doesn't mean I'll stop. Doesn't mean I'm across. Just because I'm hurting doesn't mean I'm hurt. Doesn't mean I didn't get
155 meters tall.
I just got lost. Every river that I tried to cross,
That's one big wall.
every door I ever tried was locked. Oh, and I'm just waiting till the shine wears off. You might be a big fish.
That's Barwon Falls. And just hope we can fly out of here with the cloud and the rain. Well, the rain came in too much and we couldn't fly out. So we're waiting 3 hours before busing back, which will take us about 6 hours. Life too far.
Every gun you ever had went off. Oh, and I'm just waiting till the fire starts.
It's the type of growth you get with 6.7 meters of rain a year.
Just waiting till the shine wears off. Just wait.